Hello students, welcome to online classes. I am Bhagyashri, your social teacher. Today we are going to practice the topic called traffic rules of 4th standard. In your earlier classes you studied about the traffic rules topic in detail. So please go through the earlier classes so that you will get the clear idea. You should have the clear idea what all will comes under the traffic rules so that you will understand it clearly. The answer the following and it will be easy to remember. So shall we start? Let's start. Fill in the blanks. First, a dash controls the movement of vehicles. A traffic policeman controls the movement of vehicles. Yes, when you are coming to school, yes, you might have saw near ring road, yes, there is a traffic lights are there, yes, you might have saw, and there will be a traffic policeman who will be controlling the movements of vehicles, yes, so that there should be no traffic jam and there should not be any accidents. So a traffic policeman controls the movement of vehicles. Second, pedestrians should cross the road at dash crossing. Pedestrians should cross the road at zebra crossing. What do you mean by zebra crossing? Yes, the black and white strips will be there on the road. So it will be specially meant for the pedestrians to cross the road. That is called zebra crossing. Because why it is called zebra crossing? It look like the zebra. Yes, on zebra animal, how it will be, the black and white strips will be there. So that's why it is called zebra crossing. Third, the dash gives specific instruction to the movement of vehicles. The signal lights gives the specific instruction to movement of vehicles. Fourth, one should not cross the road when the dash light is on. One should not cross the road when the red light is on. Fifth, Transport Department celebrates Road Safety Week in dash every year. Transport Department celebrates Road Safety Week in January every year. Sixth, Bus Day dash has been celebrated in Bengaluru to avoid traffic jams. Bus Day has been celebrated in Bangalore to avoid traffic jams. Yes, in Bengaluru there will be a celebration of bus day to avoid traffic jams. Next, match the following. So, what red light indicates? You already studied in your earlier classes. So, tell me what red light indicates? It indicates to stop. Green light indicates to move. Yellow light indicates to vehicles to get ready. Number 108, the number 108 is the number which is the emergency number. If any accident happened on the road or if any hospital emergency is there, any person can call number 108, which is a free helpline number. Then the ambulance will come and take the patient. So number 108 is the number of ambulance. So we can call the ambulance by dialing number 108. Don't write a number and 108. Dial the number 108. Okay. Only the when hospital emergency will be there. Pedestrians, what it is? The people who walk on foot. Yes, the people who walk on foot is called pedestrians. Yes, pedestrians. Next, I hope you understood. Next, we will move to next one. So, tell me, this also we studied in our earlier classes. So, what the first one is? The first one is Observe if railway level crossing gate is open and then move. Yes, we should observe before crossing the railway level. Second one is hospital zone. It is a hospital zone. One should go slow. Next, third one, hump ahead, drive slowly. Yes, there will be a jumps will be there. Yes, the road, some roads there in after the in, for example, in front of your school, yes, there is a hump is there, so that if the person who is driving the vehicle should make the slow, yes, should drive the slow. So hump ahead, drive slow. Next, fourth one is, it is of your left or right? It is of left, so it is a left turn. Next, so the horn is there and a cross is there. So what it is? Do not use horn. Yes, near your school this will be there, so that you should not get disturbed. Yes, so this signboard will be there. Do not use horn. Next is parking place. And the seventh one is go slowly. Yes, students, you already studied these all things in your earlier classes. So if you gone through your chapter, then definitely it will be easy you to keep in mind, and it will be very easy to by heart. Okay. Next, true or false? First, pedestrians should cross the road at zebra crossing. Yes, which is true. Second, if there are no signal lights, you can cross the road even while the vehicles are moving to your left and right, which is false. Yes, if there is no signal light, for example, if there is no signal light, then also we should not move. Like that only we should see whether the vehicles are moving or not. If the vehicles are moving here and there and we went like that only, the chances of getting accident will be more. So which is false. Third, one should not play games on the road. Yes, whenever at your home, yes, and in school also, your elders will be telling that. In school, your teachers will be telling, and in your home, family members, elders, they will be telling you should not play the games on the road, because on road there will be vehicles. So the chances of getting accidents will be more. So one should not play games on the road. Fourth, accident can be avoided by following the traffic rules, which is very true. Why the traffic rules made? The traffic rules are made for that only, to avoid the accident. So it's our responsibility to follow the traffic rules. Fifth, follow the queue while boarding a vehicle. Yes, when boarding a vehicle, we should follow the queue. We should always follow the queue. Answer the following questions. First, where should the pedestrians cross the road? Answer, the pedestrians should cross the road at zebra crossing. Yes, who are the pedestrians? The people who walk on foot. So they should cross the road at zebra crossing. In the middle of the road you should not cross. Second, name the colors of the signal lights. Here there are 3 colors of signal lights are there. First one is red light. What it indicates? It indicates the vehicle to stop. Second, yellow light. Yellow light indicates the vehicle to get ready, not to move, just get ready. Third one, green light, the vehicle to move. Yes, in this picture, yes, the boy showing that what all the lights will indicate what. Obey the rules without much fuss and reach home safe. You are very precious. Yes, it's our duty to obey the traffic rules. So red is stop, yellow is get ready, and green is move. Third, what are the precautions that we should take while crossing the road? and why? Answer: we should always take care of our left and right side. Yes, we should always look our left and right side before we cross the road and follow the signal lights. We should follow the signal lights to avoid the accidents. Pedestrians should always cross the zebra crossing to avoid accidents. Yes, pedestrians should always cross at zebra crossing to avoid accidents. Fourth one, write the uses of signal lights. Yes, the why the signal lights are made. It meant for our comfort. So answer: signal lights give the specific instruction to the movement of vehicles and pedestrians. Yes, it will give the instructions. Yes, when the red light will come, the vehicle should stop. Good. When the yellow light will come, it will get ready, and the green to move. So this will be instruction given to the vehicles and to the pedestrians also to know the when to move. Signal lights avoids the accident. Definitely it will avoid the accidents. Fifth, write the advantages of traffic rules. Answer: orderly movement of traffic. No doubt in this. Yes, there will be order. Yes, orderly movement is nothing but if the red light is there, all the vehicles will stop. If the green light is there, all the vehicles will move. That is the maintenance of order, so that nobody will get disturbed. So orderly movement of traffic. Second, provide safety to people. Yes, please add here TO2. Provides safety to people who drives vehicles and also to pedestrians. Yes, it will give the safety to people, TO2, people who drive vehicles and also to pedestrians. Yes. Third, reduce the traffic jam and avoid accident. It also reduces the traffic jam and avoids accidents. Sixth, write the different situation of accidents happen and what precautions we can take to avoid it. Yes, there are different situation of accidents will be there, and what precautions we can take to avoid it. First, cutting vegetables with vegetable cutter. In our home, we will be helping our parents to cut the vegetables with vegetable cutter. We should take care while cutting the vegetables. We should carefully cut the vegetables, because the vegetable cutter will be sharp. The chances of getting hurt will be more. So we should be always have the precautions. So what precautions it will be? Take care while cutting the vegetables. Crossing road, in front of this only they should come. Crossing road, cross the road looking at left and right side, and pedestrians should always cross at zebra crossing. We should look our left and right side, and we should cross when there will be, and follow the traffic, yes, lights. Yes, so and pedestrians should always cross at zebra crossing. Third, sharpening of pencil. Yes, in school also you will sharpen the pencils. So sharpen the pencil with careful and do not use blade to sharpen the pencil. You should not use the blade. The sharpener will be there, you should use that. Next, gas stove. After use of gas, turn off the knob of gas properly. Yes, after use of gas we should turn off the knob. Fifth, sleep on floor. Do not spill oil or water on the floor. Yes, we should not spill the water or oil on the floor. If spilled, then wipe it immediately so that nobody should get hurt by slip on the floor. Sixth, electric shock. Do not play with electrical gadgets and avoid touching it with wet hands. Yes, in our home elders will be telling, and in our school the teachers will be telling, you should not touch, you should not play with the electrical gadgets, and you should avoid touching it with wet hand. Yes, here the signal board has given, and where the places of displays, where it will be the horn. Yes, the first one is the horn near my school. Yes, do not horn here, though near my school it is your school. Near your school, this sign will be there. Near every school, this sign will be there where there is a road, so that the school, the student should not get disturbed. So this signboard will be there, signal board. Near main road, it is a left turn. Yes, it is not a compulsory, please write only near main road left turn. Next, near main road right turn. Yes, which is third one. Fourth, hump ahead, drive slowly near my school. Next, fifth will be at railway crossing line. Next, near bus stand, the parking will be there. That signal board indicates that one can park their vehicle there. Yes, you better saw in bus stand this type of signal board will be there. And the last one, near main road, so go slowly. Students, I hope you are studying at your home, so read well. Thank you.